A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic escalation of tensions, top Democrats in Congress are threatening to take legal action against the Justice Department following its announcement that it would not meet the Friday deadline to release all documents related to the Jeffrey Epstein case. Representatives Robert Garcia and Jamie Raskin, who serve as the ranking members of the House Judiciary and House Oversight Committees, respectively, expressed their outrage in a joint statement. They stated, "We are now examining all legal options in the face of this violation of federal law." The urgency of their statement underscores the gravity of the situation, as they emphasize that the survivors of this nightmare deserve justice. The co-conspirators must be held accountable, and the American people deserve complete transparency from DOJ. This controversy comes after Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche revealed in an interview with Fox News that the department would only be partially releasing the documents, with more to follow in the coming weeks. So today is the 30 days when I expect that we're going to release several 100,000 documents today. These documents will come in various forms, including photographs and other materials associated with all of the investigations into Mr. Epstein, Blanche stated, adding that additional documents would be released over the next few weeks. He assured the public that the Justice Department was taking steps to protect the identities and stories of victims involved in the case. The most important thing that the Attorney General has talked about, and that FBI Director Kash Patel has discussed, is that we protect victims. We are meticulously reviewing every piece of paper that we are going to produce to ensure that every victim, their name, their identity, their story, to the extent it needs to be protected, is completely protected, Blanche explained. However, Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer did not hold back in his criticism of the DOJ's decision, warning that there will be serious legal and political consequences. Democratic Senator Ron Wyden echoed this sentiment, asserting that anything short of a full release today is a violation of the law and a continuation of this administration's cover-up on behalf of a bunch of pedophiles and sex traffickers. As the deadline approached, the political ramifications of the DOJ's decision were palpable, with some Democrats suggesting that the Trump administration's history of handling the Epstein case may have influenced the delay. The government has reportedly spent over $1 million on redacting documents for national security and victim protection. This situation is further complicated by the fact that the Epstein case has already proven damaging to the reputations of several high-profile individuals, including former President Trump. The public's demand for transparency in this high-profile case has only intensified, with many calling for accountability and justice for the victims. As the Justice Department prepares to release the initial batch of documents, the political landscape is charged with uncertainty, and the implications of the DOJ's actions could reverberate throughout the upcoming election cycle. Meanwhile, the House Committee on Oversight and Government Reform has been proactive in its efforts to shed light on the Epstein case, recently releasing never-before-seen photos and videos from Epstein's private island in the U.S. Virgin Islands. This move indicates a growing commitment among Democrats to hold accountable those involved in the Epstein scandal and ensure that the truth comes to light. As the situation unfolds, it remains to be seen how the DOJ's handling of the Epstein files will impact the political landscape and whether the promised transparency will ultimately be achieved. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.